Hi, it's Russell here from The Presenter. I hope you're well and welcome to our beginners online training course for Prezi Next. Prezi Next enables you to create, present and analyze your presentations. And that's exactly how we're going to approach this training. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with Prezi, including what type of license might be right for you. Of course, I'm going to show you the full user interface of Prezi Next as well and explain how to insert all different kinds of media. And then I'm going to show you how to present your Prezi Next presentation, whether it be through a laptop, projector, using speaker notes, or maybe through an iPhone or tablet device. Then once we've covered all of that, I'm going to show you how to analyze the data of your presentation so that you can become much smarter as a presenter. And as well as just me talking at you, there is an exercise throughout this training, which means you'll need to download some materials and really get started building your own presentation as we go. If you need further support throughout the training, then please feel free to get in touch with me or any of my team here at The Presenter on info@thepresenter.com. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next video.